Hello everyone. Today we are going to work on basket waistline dress with this material 1.5 yards. Please, you can subscribe, like, comment and share. Keep on watching. Let's get started. So I've folded my fabric in 4 pieces. As you can see, the front and the back piece is what we are going to cut at once. So I've added my zipper allowance, which is 1 inch allowance for the zipper. So that is the 1 inch that I'm marking. So after that, I will also go ahead to have a straight line where we will start our measurement. So let me rule it out. So I've done that. So on this line is where I will place my tape to get my length. And I'm placing my tape like this to get my length. For the half length, 16 inches. So that's my 16 inches that I'm still marking. So I've done that now. So I will roll it. That is for the line 2. I will roll it. So now I've done that now. So we'll start with our body measurement now. So I'll go ahead to measure my neckline. My neckline is 3.5 inches. And it's a square neckline that we are making. So to bring down the neckline, I'm going to mark 6 inches. So that is my 6 inches that I'm marking. And also, I will also roll it. So I will roll it like this. So I've done that now. So the next step is that my shoulder divided by 2 and my shoulder is 14 inches. So I will divide it. So that will give us on our tape 7 inches. So that is the 7 inches. And after that is to mark, to roll it. So that is it. So the next step is to mark the shoulder slope. So I will be sloping my shoulder by 1/2 inch and also roll it like this. So I've done that also. So coming to the chest line, I will also place my tape like this from the shoulder to get my chest line. My chest line is 8 inches. So that's my chest line, 8 inches, and also roll 8. So I've done that. So on this my chest line that I roll, that's where I will get my bust measurement. So I will place my tape on that and mark my bust. And my bust, when dividing it, you divide it by 4. So I'm dividing my bust. My bust is 34 inches. Divided 34 inches by 4, what will it give you? 8.5 inches. So that is my 8.5 inches, adding my sewing allowance 1.5 inch. So then I will now measure from the line that I mark from my shoulder to my chest line. I will place it like this to mark 2 inches to get my armhole curve, and then I will use my ruler to also curve it. So I've done that. So coming to the down part, that is where we'll get our waist measurement. So I will place my tape and get my waist. My waist is 26 inches and divided by 4. What will it give you? To give you 6.5 inches. So that's my 6.5 inches, and then I will add my sewing allowance 1.5 inches. Then I will rule, that is from my bust to the waist. I want to join the line together. So I've done that. And it's a basket waistline that we're making. So to get our basket waistline now, what I will do is to place my tape on this line, that is the bottom, to get 4 inches. It's 4 inches that I want to have there to get my basket effect. So from the 4 inches that I marked, that is where I will give the sharp V. So I will use my ruler to roll it out. So we have gotten our basket effect, and that's my sharp V that I've done there. So please subscribe to my channel and watch my video. So this is it now. So coming to the back neckline, the back neckline will also appear 6 inches that will mark at the front. I want everything to be like this. So if I want to cut the neck, I'll just start from this neck like this and cut, because the back and the back neckline and the front neckline are the same thing. So we are not taking it off. So just the same measurement. So that's why you can see me now doing the back neckline now. So I want to cut now. So this is the cutting now. You can see where I started it. That is from the neckline, which is that 6 inches that we mark at the front. So I'm using it to cut at the neck for the front and the back. So it's the basket waistline that I want to cut now. So you can see the way I'm cutting it. So this is how you cut. So you can see. So I'm still cutting, as you can see. Also bringing it to the armhole side and also cut. So to cut the slope, the shoulder slope, I've not cut it. So this is it. I've cut it out. So opening my zipper side too. So this is what I'm doing here now. So the next step is to cut the gathers that we'll use and complete our basket waistline now. So let's cut it along. I folded my fabric now to use and cut the gathers. So I will measure the length that will remain that we want to use. This 15 inches. So after that now, what I did before is 17 inches that I use, please 16 inches. So that is it. So everything that we have here now is 31 inches. So this is what I subtracted from the upper side, and is 1.5 yard that we are going to use to gather it. So let's go to the machine and run a stitch on the line that is sewing it and come and gather it, and I'll also show you how to do that. So I've gone to run a stitch, but as I was running it on the mesh, you can see it's gathering it on itself. So what I will do now, I will also gather it again to get my measurement, that's my waist measurement. So let me drag it like this. And when dragging it, you just be gently so that it will not cut. So I'll continue to gather it. So can you see what I'm doing now? So this is how to make your basket effect to gather the gather. So this is it. So let me place it again and use my tape to measure to see whether it's up to. So I will use my tape to do that. Yes, it's up to, because our zipper allowance will be there too. So that is what I really need from here now. So we've gotten it now. So let me also turn it the other way around for you to see how it is. So this is it. Now is to join the body part now. So I'll go ahead now to place my tape from the waist now to get our measurements. So we'll divide it into two. So this is our waist, 26 inches. This is 26 inches. So we'll count the remaining part that remain. 1, 2, 3, 4. So that means the waist allowance should be 2 inches, 2 inches at the other side. So coming to the bust is 34 inches. So that is the 34 inches. So this is my 34 inches. What remains here, I will count it out too, so that we'll share it into 1, 2, 3. So that means the bust allowance here is 1.5. Coming to this side also 1.5. So we just connect. So from the waist, I'm connecting it to the bust. From the waist for the other side, I'll connect it to the bust, and then go and stitch it together with the back parts. I'm going to run it together, that to join the back and the front together. So now is to place our gathers around the waist. So I will open it like this and show you how to pin it round. So you start from the zippers allowance side of it and pin. So this I'm going to sew it on the machine. So I'm pinning it around the waist. So I'm just showing you what I'm going to go and do on my machine after pinning it. And then our dress will be ready. That is our basket effect waistline will be ready. So this is what I'm doing now. Pinning it round and around the waist. So please watch my video down to the end, subscribe, share it to your friends. So this I'm doing it now. So I'm still pinning it around like this. So after doing all of this, is to go and stitch together, and our basket effect waistline will be ready, and that is what we want. So I've finished pinning it round. So what I will do now, let me take it to the machine. So can you see? But let me take it to the machine so that the outlook will be very okay. So let me take it to the machine. All this place is just what I pinned down. Thank you everyone for watching to the end. This is the final look of my basket effect waist dress. Please subscribe, like, share, comment, say something. I will see you guys in my next video.